Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to remove text from images. Okay, so the first step is to open any web browser in your PC, any preferred web browser. Okay, so once you've opened the browser, go to the link online.theinpaint.com. I will provide the link in the description. Okay, so now you should remember 3 steps. The format should be JPG or PNG, maximum image size should be 10 MB, and the maximum image resolution should be 4.2 megapixels. Below you can see an upload image option. Click on it and select the image from which you want to remove the text. Okay, once you select it, it will appear on a page like this. Okay, so now I want to remove the text. So to remove text, we have to increase the marker size, which you see on the top. We have to increase it according to the size of the text. Now mark the portion that you don't want and click on erase button. Okay, I have marked the text. Now I've clicked on erase button and the text has gone. Okay, so in a similar way, I'm going to remove the Christmas text now as well. So again, I'm adjusting the marker according to it, and now I'm again marking over it and clicking on the erase button, and it's done. Now on the top right hand side, you can see a download option. Click on it and download the image in low resolution. That's it guys, thanks for watching, bye bye.